welcome back to my channel. So I first go in with the shade Vanilla Cream as a base and apply it all over my lid. And then I apply Caramel as a transition shade. That's the area between your eyelid and your brow bone. And then with the shade Hazelnut, I apply that one in my crease to create more dimension. So far all the shades are blending out so easily. There's no patchiness. I also use a blending brush to blend out that shade. And then I go in with the shade Double Shot, which is like a purple, and as you guys can see, it's very pigmented, but it blended out so easily. I was really surprised because these shades are hard to make and sometimes they don't blend out really good, but this one did. So I try to create a halo eye with this shade and connect it up at the top to create that halo eye. Then with my finger, I grab the shade Macchiato and apply it right in the middle portion of my lid. And then I blend out the edges and apply a little bit more of the Double Shot to make it look like it's blended together. And I just love that shade Macchiato. It's so pretty. And then I use the shade Creme Brulee on my brow bone. This is another really pretty shade. And then I go in with the NYX liquid eyeliner. This is one of my favorite matte eyeliners. It's just so matte, so black, and I just take my time creating a wing. For my lower lash line, I go in with the shade Pumpkin Spice with a pencil brush. This is a really pretty orangey brown eyeshadow. I really like it, and it really reminds me of pumpkin spice. And then with the shade Mocha, I apply it really close to my lower lash line and blend it out with pumpkin spice, and I really like the shade also. And then with Caramel, I blend out the two shades right at the bottom. For the inner corner of my eyes, I use the shade Macchiato. I feel like the shade is so good for the inner corner of the eyes. It's one of my favorites from the palette. And then I apply the Double Take eyeliner in my waterline, and I also apply mascara, and I use the Caution mascara by Hourglass. And then this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I'm going to go into swatches now and let you guys know what I think about the palette. So this is the packaging, the front and the back. I really like the packaging. So the first shade is Hazelnut, and then the next shade is Caramel. I really like this one as a transition shade, and then Vanilla Cream. And then the next shade is Mocha. I use this one on the lower lash line. And then the next one is Pumpkin Spice. Then we have Espresso. The shimmer shades in this palette are really good. The next one is Macchiato, which is my favorite from the shimmer shades. And then we have Creme Brulee, which is the more subtle from the shimmer shades. And then we have Cold Brew. I did not use this shade. And then we have Double Shot. Overall, I really love the shades in this palette. They blend out so easy. I love the formula. I definitely recommend this palette. So if you want to buy it, I'd say go for it. I will link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
What are you doing?
Makeup.
That's you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Makeup.